Good morning, grade 9. Let's go for very important question, that is question 9 from set 7.2. Draw the graph of the equations given below. Now see students, this is base of your 10th standard. You need to draw the graphs in 10th standard based on the same concept. So please do this question very thoroughly and see how to do it first. Now see, this is one equation given. Okay. X plus y is equal to 2. We have to draw the graph of this equation. So what are we going to do? We are going to find the solutions of this equation. That means what will be x value and y value, so that answer will be 2 if we add them both. Alright. So what we have to do, assume any values of either x or y and find out the other value. That is your choice. For example, if I take x is equal to minus 1, then I have to substitute for x as minus 1. So for this I am writing here minus 1. Now my x value is minus 1 plus y is equal to 2. I have to find y. How much would be y? Y is equal to 2. If this is shifted, it gets plus 1. So when x is minus 1, y will be 3. So y I got 3. Add up this 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. Are you understanding me? So x value is minus 1, y value will be 3. Like that only, suppose any value of your choice. For example, if I take x is equal to 0, then we have to find value of y. Again substitute. We have taken x as 0, so I have taken here 0. Plus y is equal to 2. So y will be equal to 2. So y is 2. So your numbers are, first is x coordinate, then is y coordinate. Are you understanding me? Now let me suppose twice we have considered x only. I want to take first y value. That is also fine. So I am considering if y is 1. Now you see how much plus 1 will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are automatically getting x as 1. Orally also you can do it. But let us try with the equation. So you have x. Now y value you have 1 is equal to 2. So what would be x? It is 2 shifted over here minus 1. That is equal to 1. So when y is 1, x is also 1. Then only 1 plus 1 would be 2. So you have 1 comma 1. This can be done orally. Okay. If I take this 3 plus minus 1 would be 2. From 3 I have to subtract minus 1. So if x is 3, y will be minus 1. Are you understanding me? So you can do this orally also. Now let me take, for example, if I have x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 we have already taken. We will take y is equal to 0. If y is 0. If y is 0, x will be exactly equal to 2. See no, x plus 0 is 2. And therefore x is 2. So when y is 0, x will be 2. So what coordinates we got? 2, 0. Now this 4 points we are going to plot on the graph. And all these 4 points would be collinear, and then we are going to draw the line. Okay, so first let me draw the graph over here, or coordinate system. This has to be done on the graph paper. Okay, mind well, you have to do this on this. Calculations you can do in your notebook, or the blank page which is besides your graph paper notebook, opposite to graph, or at the back side of the graph paper if you don't have book and you are using single graph paper. But this has to be done. Without this you will not be able to draw the line. This will have half marks and drawing line will have half marks. So if the question is of 2 marks, this will contain 2 marks, and drawing line on the graph paper will be given 2 marks. Alright, so this is very important step. Now let us draw the line on the graph paper. Okay. Okay, I don't have graph paper, so I have just made this in the form of graph. Let us plot the points now. Now x coordinate is minus 1 and y coordinate is plus 3. X is minus 1, so this, and y is plus 3. So this is the first point which we are going to get. Second is 0 and 2. X coordinate is always written first. So x is 0 and y is 2. So your second coordinate will be, or point would be this. Now third is 1, 1. X is also 1, y is also 1. Both are positive. So it is going to lie in the first quadrant. This is your second point. So 3 we have plotted. 2, 1. 2 is x-axis and 0, that means here itself. So your fourth point is this. So these are your 4 points. You can see they all are collinear. So this would be the line x plus y is equal to 2. We need to join these points. and just extend it. Do not forget to put arrows. An equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 2. So you have to write on the line. You can write over here. X plus y is equal to 2 is equation of this line. So this is the line. Okay. So we have 4 points. Can you see that? I hope it is quite clear, students. Draw the line and write x plus y is equal to 2 on this line. You may write this side or this side, wherever it is possible. Now you know how to draw a line if equation is given. So first you find out x and y coordinates, plot the points and draw a line. Now what coordinates you are going to choose is your choice. It is not mandatory. But use little bit common sense that your graph should not be 2. If you choose -9 and then over here it would be +11, then we are going to get +2. So -9 of x coordinate would go this side. 11 on y coordinate will go, so I mean above the x coordinate it will come somewhere over here. So your graph paper, you just see what is the capacity of your graph paper and then as per choose the points. It is absolutely your choice which points are you going to choose. But see that it is fitting into your graph paper. Alright? And don't go for very difficult choice of points also, like in points and all. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to plot. Keep it easy. Okay? Now can we go for the next equation? We'll go for the next equation as well. Okay? Now let's quickly go for the second. First x I have chosen as 1. So 3 into 1 minus y is equal to 0. 3 minus y is equal to 0. So 3 is equal to y. Y would be 3. Okay. Now we have -1. So I am putting here -1. 3 into -1 minus y is equal to 0. -3 minus y would be 0. So -3 would be equal to y. So y is -3. Okay. Now you have x is equal to 0. So 3 into 0 minus y is equal to 0. 3 zeros are 0 minus y is equal to 0. So y would be equal to 0. So if x is 0, y is also 0. Now let us see if x is equal to 2. Okay. So I have 3 into 2 minus y is equal to 0. 6 minus y is equal to 0. 6 is equal to y. So I have 6. You have to see that y coordinate is 6. Okay. Now let us plot the graph. So students, I have just drawn coordinate system. You please use graph paper. Okay. Now let us plot the points. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. Both are plus. So x coordinate is 1 and y is 3. So approximately this would be your first point. Okay. Second is -1, -3. So x is -1 and this is -3 is down. So this would be your next coordinate. Okay. 1, 2. We have 0, 0. So this is your origin is your third point. And fourth is 2, 6. So x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 6. So it would come approximately over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll join these points and we are going to get the second line. Okay. So see. Sorry. And extend it. Okay. So you can extend this line above also. Let us extend it a little bit like this as well. Okay. So this is your equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 0 is equation of this line. Can you see the points? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So something like this your line would be coming. Alright. So please use graph paper. If you don't have just now or if graph papers are not available because you all are at home, so you can draw the coordinate system. But I will I will always advise you, see that you please use graph papers to draw the lines. In exam, you have to draw on the graph paper. Alright, so please draw these graphs. That's all for today from my side. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.